Hello, writers. Today, I want to talk to you about revising your writing. Specifically, I want to help you to write clever titles, headings, and subheadings. We're going to work to grab our readers' attention with our words. So here's our strategy. Today, I want to teach you that writers of informational texts take a careful look at the words they choose when writing their titles, their headings, and their subheadings. Let me show you what I mean. So let's look at some clever titles, headings, and subtitles. So these all come from an issue of Scholastic News called, and the title of the article or the cover is How the Pilgrims Changed History. Already we're wondering what did they do to change history forever? They impacted history. Then when we get to the article itself is called A Struggle to Survive. For the Pilgrims trying to start a new life nearly ended in disaster. That sounds like it has a lot of action in it. And it makes us wonder what's happening. And then let's just look at these headings. We have rough voyage. We have a harsh winter. Harsh means really hard and difficult. And we have first feast. So again, let's take a look at this. The title of the article is A Struggle to Survive. The subtitle is For the Pilgrims Trying to Start a New Life Ended Nearly in Disaster. We have our headings, Rough Voyage, A Harsh Winter, and First Feast. So here are what we just looked at. And I want you to ask yourself, does my title simply label a section, or does it also grab my reader's attention and make them want to read what I have written? So for example, instead of calling it Rough Voyage, they could have just called it The Trip. Or instead of a harsh winter, they could have just said winter, or even a cold winter. But the words rough voyage are much more powerful than calling it a trip. And a harsh winter, that choice of harsh, makes it sound very, very difficult rather than just writing winter. When you want to jazz up your writing, think about using words that will surprise your reader, make your reader laugh, make your reader wonder, or be fun for your reader to say aloud. Take a moment and say first feast out loud. That alliteration, the repeating of the F's, is fun to say aloud. So these are some very clever titles and headings. A Struggle to Survive, Rough Voyage, A Harsh Winter, and First Feast. So now I want you to try it. Go back and read your title, your headings, and your subheadings again. Look for ways to spice up your words, improve your word choice. Try to use words that will surprise your reader, make your reader laugh, make your reader wonder, or be fun for your reader to say aloud. Thanks, writers, and get to work.